Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Samsung Watch user who's been plagued by the dreaded error code 109, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into what this error means, why it's happening, and the best ways to fix it in 2025. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly is error code 109? On your Samsung Watch, this code typically pops up as a connection or software issue. It often signals problems with syncing your watch to your phone, like failed Bluetooth connections or app crashes. Think of it as your watch saying, "Hey, something's not linking up right." Now, let's talk about the common causes. This error can stem from a few things: outdated firmware on your watch, incompatible apps on your paired device, network glitches, or even minor software bugs. For instance, if you're running an older version of Wear OS or Tizen, that could be the culprit. External factors like weak Wi-Fi signals or interference from other devices might also play a role. Alright, time for the good part: solutions. Start with the basics. Restart your Samsung Watch by holding down the power button until it turns off, then turn it back on. This simple trick resolves many temporary glitches. Next, make sure your watch and phone are updated. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, go to Settings, and check for any available updates for your watch's software. If that doesn't work, try resetting the Bluetooth connection. On your phone, forget the watch from your Bluetooth settings and pair it again. You can also clear the cache for the Galaxy Wearable app by going to your phone's settings, finding the app, and selecting Storage, then Clear Cache. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on your watch, but remember, this will erase all your data, so back up first. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code 109 for good. If you're still stuck, reach out in the comments below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.